So when we're looking at associative prediction engines and we talk about things that some people call things like hallucinations, what you're seeing is not really a feature. It's not really an error. What it's doing is it's essentially having followed a probabilistic map that isn't what you would like. So it's not really doing anything wrong. It's not a system fault. It's not a failure in the probability. It's just that sometimes a probabilistic map will not lead to the place you would like. You can't really get rid of them within the APE structure because of that core reliance on probabilistic relationships. You're always going to have sometimes where it goes down the wrong path. And ultimately, it's not a hallucination, a misunderstanding, or anything like that. It never understood to begin with. It lacks comprehension of the linguistic tokens that it's relying on. It lacks comprehension of the auditory tokens it's relying on. It lacks comprehension of the visual tokens it's relying on. It is not functionally thinking in any sense. So we need to stop talking about it that way. It's not helpful. It really doesn't convey what's going on. It doesn't really get us anywhere close to resolving the issue that they pose within the use of an APE architecture. It's not just a persistent issue. It's an unsolvable one. You can't get rid of pathing failures because it's not a failure to begin with. It's just not doing what you'd like. When you rely on probability to map through a relational database, you're not going to get the answers you want some of the time. And ultimately, this is just an unresolvable issue. If you want to say we would like to get rid of hallucinations, you're looking at a different technology. We can't get there from here.